Hey, so quick video. I just got done, well, a while ago. Watched the video from the Tool Tart. He had an awesome idea. Stripping wire. I think we got 14 gauge here. So his concept was to drill a hole in the workbench or wood or whatever, and then come through, and then go ahead and take your utility knife and just start running it through, which worked really awesome. But I'm an old guy, so anyhow, I decided to expand on his idea. But I give all the credit to the Tart. So what I did was, alright, I guess I wasn't too ready for this. So I decided to lose the knife and keep the blade and do that with the same idea, the hole going through the back and all that kind of stuff, put it in the vise. And then I did a lot of wire and I had to kept fiddle farting. So then what I did is we did this, which has been working pretty good. So the blade's nailed in, you put the wire through, you line it up about where it should be, and then I just hammered the blade in, probably about 1/8 maybe of an inch into the wood, and then put a clamp on it to hold it in so when you pull it doesn't pull the blade out of the wood. And then this doohickey, what it does is I start with wire and it ends up being different sizes by a little bit or whatever. The stripping wasn't as good, so what I did, I'm just cutting up or stripping off the end of a fresh one just so you can see. So I got a little bit to start with. What was happening is it was coming through and it wasn't taking it all off, or I was nicking in to the copper. So what this does by squeezing it is I'll show you a close-up, it's bending the blade a little bit and it's cutting her in. So then when I put it through, it feels pretty good. And if I want it to cut lower, then we just give it a little squish. The blade comes down a little bit and starts to catch it. So we'll give it a try. And there you go. His idea was fantastic. And my thumbs are giving out because I got arthritis, so I can't hold the utility blade long, so I thought if I did this. So anyhow, hey, kudos to the Tool Tart. He's the one that came up with the concept. I just threw a couple bells and whistles on. Tool Tart, thank you. So that's a close-up of the blade and the clamps on it. I just put it on, and now I want a little more pitch, so I'm going to start squeezing the trigger. And you can see, well, maybe you can't very well. Come around the other side. You can see the blade starting to tilt up, which is pitching it down further, so it'll make a tighter fit. So that's that.